All right, Ren is gone.
Sad.
And Kara
89 days.
is depressed. It's been 1 day and she feels like it's been 100.
Forever.
But Ed has been sending us updates and it's really exciting. I'll include those in another video. But we thought we would kind of continue on with the daily vlog as best we can. I mean, some days it's just going to be me editing and, you know, cooking dinner, normal stuff, going out for lunch. So probably won't film those days because those will be kind of boring. But today, it is Valentine's Day. This is how we're spending Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Kara has a job to do.
Do you think these are purple or pink?
They're purple. I remember.
That'd be great.
Yeah. Kara has to clean out all the totes and stuff that came out of Poppy and Ren. What she wants to try to keep and what she doesn't need that we'll store somewhere or something. I don't know.
Somewhere.
But that's her job. She has to go through her totes. I am going to perform my first oil change on Sully. We did put break-in oil in here before we left AMW. We've got about 1,200 miles on it. And going to go ahead and change the oil, put in the regular stuff, and start that process. So, but I've got a couple tricks to show you with what you can do if you have a skid plate and it's hard to reach the oil thing. I got something to show you. Okay, with this being the first oil change, I am going to remove the skid plate, which is really dirty from my run in the Ozarks last weekend, which that video hasn't come out yet, but it's coming. Ah! Oh, that's so bad. I already took a shower today.
Don't you go back for Ian now?
Yeah. No, mine was cleaner. It was cleaner when I had it.
I bet it wasn't.
Or when he had it, it was cleaner. Ow. This is a lot easier than being under Ren. Alright, that was easy. Was that 13 again? Yep. Alright, gotta get my oil pan. Alright, well, you've done a good job of cleaning out 2 things.
Yeah, one
You
more to
still
go.
have, no, 2 more to go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But, okay, so what is that pile?
This right here?
Yes.
That's going to go in Ren.
That's going in Ren.
Yeah.
And what's that pile behind you?
Right there?
No.
That's Rick's.
No, but back there.
That's trash.
That's trash? Why are you throwing away the ouch pouch?
Because I have the other one that goes on the Crow. I have 2 more that go on the Crow. That's a different one.
But it's an ouch pouch. It
Guess
says
what?
ouch pouch.
If you take the sticker off,
That's
the
it.
other thing can be an ouch pouch. It
You're
transfers.
so here. Okay, what is this?
That's all stuff that I figured you won't want to throw away since you're a hoarder.
That is not my stuff.
Oh.
That is your stuff.
Oh. Okay. So this
What-
game of stuff that you got. That,
You took that on the
magnets-
Rebel.
I didn't. No, I didn't.
You did?
No, I didn't.
Well, I didn't have that anywhere. That's all in your stuff.
No.
Literally your stuff.
No. Just because it's in my drawer doesn't mean that it's my
It came
stuff.
out of your stuff.
No.
It did.
No.
That's why it's in there.
No. I never. No. This, no clue what this is.
That's
Blender?
a battery powered blender.
Okay. Who got this?
I don't know why you have it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got stuff to do.
Yeah.
But you got some of that stuff. They got to be thrown away.
Well, I'm gonna let you make that decision. I'll throw it all away right now.
I mean, I won't miss it. It's your stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna throw this rumple away.
It's your rumple.
Stop it.
I got my own rumple.
We have multiple rumples.
I know.
I don't even know what this is. This is not a part of Moo or Poppy.
Whoa! I just made a mess. Dang it. Ah, I have to make more of a mess. Oh, this was a bad idea. Oh. Darn it! This is why you wear gloves. Ugh.
What did you do?
Well, I was holding it up so it wouldn't splash, and then I accidentally tilted it and it poured out.
Splashed?
No, it didn't splash. It poured.
Oh, good job.
Oh, no, not at all.
So now what are you gonna do?
Want to get the paper towels and clean it up? All right, with that drained, just have to clean this crap up. Okay. These do their job. Hey, if you have skid plates and it makes a mess when you drain the oil, because a lot of them do, because they just have, the little cutout, and it's not always good. These little guys off Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description, but these have been a lifesaver for Sully and Boo and Poppy. So what they are, actually, I need that. Nope. So this replaces your factory drain plug, and it's got a little ball bearing in there, and this is the cap. So when this is what fits on your oil pan. But when it's time to change the oil, you have this little tube. And this fits up in here, and that pushes the little ball in, which then allows all your oil to drain from the tube and allows you to put it in one of those 5-quart jugs or cleanly put it into a fill pan, whatever. But this is a huge lifesaver. If you have skid plates, get one of these. It makes a world of difference when changing your oil and not making a mess like I just did. Okay, they make these in different thread sizes. The link I'll put in the description will be for at least one's for a Jeep. I'm assuming it's true of all Mopar, but I don't know. Ha! And that doesn't have to be anything but finger tight. Then the next time I need to change the oil, you just unscrew this part, screw on the hose, and it's a much cleaner process. Done. It's been a long time since I've had an engine with this style oil filter. Oh, I can't even get that on there. Oh, I thought that was a great idea. Oh, crap. Ugh, should have got the clamp on style. Dang it. Well, this doesn't work. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Oh, shoot. There it goes. Yep. Oh, Lord. So many lessons learned right now. What a mess. Will you go get me another roll of paper towels, please? Oh, there we go. There. There we go. Got it. This engine should take 7 quarts of oil. And I am using the Blood Lubricants Off-Road 5W30 Extreme Duty full synthetic engine oil, now in all of our vehicles. But Blood Lubricants is a new sponsor of the channel. I introduced them during the whole daily vlogging of the Hemi conversion. And without them, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So huge thanks to them for supporting the channel like this. But Blood Lubricants' background, until very recently, is in the racing industry. So they've been creating lubricants for motocross, Baja, sprint cars for years. They have a refinery just outside of Chicago. Hopefully, later this year I'll get to go tour it. But very, very high quality, top tier engine oil. And until now, honestly, I have never been brand agnostic, or I've never been brand, what's the word? Brand loyal to engine oils. I've always gone to O'Reilly's, Advanced, Walmart, purchased full synthetic, but whatever was on sale. So, you know, house brand, Pennzoil, Castrol, Mobile One, whatever was on sale is all I used. But after having to put a new engine in this at 127,000 miles, I see some value potentially in running high quality oil. So, yeah, if you want to check out Blood Lubricants and these oils, I'll put a link in the description. You can save 25%, 25% with our coupon code that'll be down there as well. But this is top tier stuff like Amsol, Lucas Oil. Potentially argue this is even better. So it's top tier quality oil that should make a huge difference. Yeah. Last one. After this one, I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to clean up my mess, put the skid plate back on, then check the dipstick, see what the level is. Maybe add a hair more if needed. I don't know that it will. Another thing I need to do is install new badges that I've picked up from All Roads Taken. The way I've got these laid out on the driver's side, these are all the named trails. So like Colorado, you've got Engineer Pass and Black Bear Pass, Poughkeepsie Gulch, Holy Cross, those sort of things. In Moab, you know, Pritchett Canyon, Cliffhanger, Hell's Revenge, Poison Spider, all the trails around the country that have names go on the driver's side for me. I'm along this section. So I've got 3 new ones. The Mogollon Rim, I get in trouble every time I pronounce that. Arizona Peace Trail, I've done a good portion of it. And then the Rubicon Trail. I feel like I should put this one somewhere kind of special, but it's just going to go in here. And then on the other side, I'll show you that in a minute. I'm starting to run out of space on this side. I mean, I guess I could eventually go over into that. Maybe I should. But for now, I'm going to go down and one more over this way. I just eyeball it. And the Rubicon Trail will be probably the last one. Oops. Ah! No. Oh, that was close. All right. When I add more, I'll have to go in there. That'll be fine. And then on this side, so many of the places we go don't have trail names. They're all National Forest numbers and that sort of thing. So they're not trail names. But, you know, I went to the Santa Isabel National Forest. I went to the White Sands National Park. Went to the Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area, Big Bend National Park, S'more Off-Road Park, Ozark National Forest, Hot Springs Off-Road Park. So this is kind of my general area thing on the passenger side. And I've got, I think, 9 new ones to add over here. I wish that BLM named their stuff better, but they don't. Just realized these are not even. Oh well. I'm just going to continue on with the pattern. San Rafael Swell. What a beautiful place. If you never had a chance to drive dunes, the Imperial Sand Dunes down in Southern California, absolute blast. Ugh. See, all this is about memories. Vermilion Cliffs, when we went there 2 years ago, or in 2024, went to White Pocket. That's where we buried Rooster's ashes. It's always going to be a special place to us. And that's my goal for 2026. More general areas like this, less name trails, like on the driver's side. I want more of these. All right. Well, that cleanup process took longer than I thought. I just kind of left it, did the other things, came back. I didn't want to deal with it. So, anyway, there you go. Little vlog, doing some garage stuff and changing the oil for the first time. The oil that drained out, I did check it. It looked really good. It looked really clean. So that's good. Give us the YouTube love, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. All the pertinent links, Patreon, blood lubricants, AMW, interest form, all that sort of stuff in the description. Not sure what the next one will be. Like I said, we're going to try to do these daily, but I don't know if I'm going to have anything tomorrow. We'll see. But we'll keep them coming because thanks for liking them. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.